Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true American icon of the 2023 Chevrolet Camaro. It's bold, aggressive, and unapologetically performance-driven. Whether you're a muscle car purist or someone considering a stylish daily driver with attitude, the Camaro has a lot to offer. Let's take a deep dive into its features and see what makes this machine roar. Body panels. The 2023 Camaro keeps its signature low-slung, wide stance with sculpted body panels that scream performance. Sharp creases and muscular fenders define the aggressive look, while the aerodynamic shape helps with both stability and speed. The aluminum hood with functional air vents adds to the car's sporty aesthetic and aids engine cooling. Chevy offers a variety of trims and custom packages, including racing stripes, blacked out accents, and bold color choices to personalize your ride. Headlights. Up front, the Camaro features sleek, narrow LED headlights that are both fierce and functional. With automatic on/off functionality and available IntelliBeam high beams, they adapt to lighting conditions and ensure excellent visibility on dark roads. Signature LED daytime running lights give the car a menacing look even during the day. Taillights. Around back, the LED taillights carry a dual-element design that pays homage to the Camaro's heritage while looking modern and crisp. They light up with a confident red glow and provide strong visibility to following traffic. On higher trims, sequential turn signals add a touch of flair. Grille. The front grille is split and low-set, perfectly complementing the Camaro's aggressive demeanor. It's more than just for looks, it enhances airflow to the engine and contributes to the car's cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. RS and SS trims feature unique grille designs, with the SS getting a wider lower intake and gloss black detailing. Seats. Step inside and you'll find performance-inspired bucket seats that hug you in place, especially when cornering. The base trims offer sporty cloth upholstery, while higher trims add premium leather with contrast stitching. Available heated and ventilated front seats ensure year-round comfort. The seats are low-set for a true sports car driving feel, with power adjustability for the driver and passenger. Dashboard. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with a deep instrument panel that tilts toward the driver for better visibility and access. Soft touch materials and aluminum accents add a premium touch. The air vents are cleverly integrated into the climate control knobs for a clean, functional design. Infotainment system. In the center sits the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system, housed in a 7 or 8-inch touchscreen depending on the trim. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, voice commands, and available navigation. The interface is intuitive and responsive. Pair that with the optional Bose premium sound system, and your driving soundtrack just got an upgrade. Steering wheel. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty vibe and is leather-wrapped on most trims. It includes controls for audio, cruise, and voice commands, keeping your focus on the road. On SS and ZL1 models, you get a thicker rim and paddle shifters for quick manual gear changes. Heated steering is available for those chilly mornings. Engine. Let's talk power because that's what the Camaro is all about. You've got multiple engine options, a 2.0 liters turbocharged inline-4 producing 275 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque, quick, efficient, and great for daily driving. A 3.6 liters V6 delivering 335 horsepower for more spirited performance. The 6.2 liters V8 in the SS pushes 455 horsepower and 455 pounds-feet of torque, giving you that deep growl and raw acceleration. And at the top, The ZL1 supercharged 6.2 liters V8 belts out 650 horsepower for track-ready performance. All engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, offering versatility for both purists and commuters. Hybrid option. At this time, the 2023 Camaro does not offer a hybrid variant. Chevrolet is sticking to its roots with traditional gasoline engines, prioritizing raw performance and classic driving dynamics. For those seeking electrification, Chevrolet is expanding options in other model lines like the Blazer EV and Silverado F. Airbags. The Camaro comes equipped with 8 airbags, including dual front knee, and side impact airbags, along with full-length curtain airbags. The rigid body structure and crumple zones help absorb crash energy to protect occupants, and it has earned solid safety ratings across the board. Parking assist. While it's a performance car, the Camaro doesn't skip out on convenience. Rear park assist, a rear view camera, and rear cross-traffic alert are available to help with maneuvering in tight spots. On select trims, you also get blind spot monitoring for added safety during lane changes. Price. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2023 Chevrolet Camaro starts at around $27,000 for the base LS trim with the turbocharged 4-cylinder. The V6-equipped trims begin around $31,000, while the SS with the V8 starts near $42,000. The ZL1, with all its track-ready enhancements, can go up to $70,000 when fully loaded. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2023 Chevrolet Camaro. It's aggressive, modern, and still one of the best performance values on the market today. Whether you're after a weekend thrill ride or a stylish daily driver with muscle, the Camaro brings it all to the table. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite Camaro engine option? Would you go turbo, V6, or V8?